Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to book flights with free cancellation. So make sure you watch till the very end because there's a bonus right at the end of the video. First up, we have us.jetcost.com. This is one of the websites that lets you do a cancellation for free. Next up, we have easemytrip.com. They also have 100% money back on flight cancellation. So you could just book a call like flight with them. After that, we have GoIBibo. You can see that they have zero cancellation charge on flights and it's 100% money back guarantee. Then we have created2travel.com and you can see that they also have like a free flight, but it is like 24-hour cancellation ticket, so you need to cancel it like within the 24 hours. And last up, we have intermiles.com, who also have a free cancellation and the entire fund will be refunded. Now, the bonus that I told you, suppose you want to go from Dubai to let's say Istanbul, free cancellation online, just like that. And you'll see that there are some websites that come up, and from there what you need to do is you see this one that says Fly Dubai, flight cancellation and like flight schedule, and then you have the option to rebook for free, just like that. So just check out, like search for Google whatever is your destiny and your destination place, just like that, and the websites will come up, and then choose which one you want to, and then buy the ticket from there, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.